Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the Cybertruck.
Did you happen to see this video?
I haven't seen this video. I just saw the screenshots from this video on social media.
Okay. So this guy on his YouTube channel, his name is Chile AI 100. That's his YouTube channel. And frequently he would use his drone to fly by the Texas Gigafactory.
Yeah, I know. I've seen these videos before. But wait a sec. That isn't Texas, though, is it?
Or
That's
I guess
Fremont. Yeah,
California.
Yeah. I'm looking at the mountains. Yeah.
And just casually, there's a Cybertruck that's on the track.
Mm-hmm. And it looks different than the last time we saw the Cybertruck.
Yeah.
And we knew there were going to be changes that would take place. You mostly like this guy, though. That flies
it's just
his
funny
drone.
because
like
he
that.
can get away with it.
Yeah.
He could just post these videos of this private track that Elon's testing out the Cybertruck and other prototypes, supposedly. And he's just...
You know what's interesting about it?
There's just all freedom.
I'll tell you,
film.
What I think is interesting about it is that they could shut it down, right? They could try to patrol it more.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's maybe currently in a state where it's not happening frequently enough to be a major problem. But you can imagine if these innovative vehicles were out there flying around all the time, and these videos, instead of getting 200,000 views, were getting 2 million views.
Right.
Then you could have some serious drone activity up there. You could have some serious traffic jams and problems with drones overhead.
Imagine like a drone falling on to like a car, just damaging it.
I'm just saying.
But I don't know. I just feel like imagine like somehow the Cybertruck just breaks down and then catches fire, and it's like this guy filmed it all. It's I just think it's like kind of funny that they have it there. So.
No, definitely. But Elon tweeted about it and responded to tweets with screenshots from this video. So obviously he's not too upset about it. And again, I don't know the rules. It's quite possible that this guy has the freedom to do what he wants with his drone, including fly over. I don't know the rules or laws about it, but
maybe it's a marketing stunt.
Yeah, exactly. You know? Chile AI 100 is actually Elon.
Yeah,
he flies
that's him right there.
Yeah, he flies the drone and he posts it. Yeah, who knows? But anyway, the Cybertruck has changed, and he did comment on Twitter about how it was always going to change, and the current thing that's bothering him the most is the windshield wiper.
Yes,
that there's no substitute.
This giant windshield wiper.
It's very ugly.
Yeah,
and he had because they have this huge windshield, and originally. Or apparently, based on some of these replies on Twitter, he had been suggesting that the goal was to hide it under the hood, the front hood, that it would actually extend from underneath the front hood. So it would be out of the way when you don't need to use it. But that was very complex and difficult to do. So again, a big part of this vehicle changing is to meet the criteria of laws around the world in order to drive it, including the side mirrors and other things. Because the original that they showed off didn't have to meet that strict criteria. So it'll probably change maybe even more before we get it. But it looks, I don't know, it looks pretty good. I'm getting used to the shape of it. It's so much less shocking than when we first saw it at this point. I'm just like, all right, yeah, that's going to be on the road soon.
Yeah, to see it on the road, it actually kind of makes sense.
Yeah, it does, weirdly. But that's just time sometimes, isn't it? That something has had a chance to settle, and then, like, we can become used to almost anything exposed to enough time and consistency. Anyway.